Children are often dosed inaccurately with over-the-counter medication, even when their parents follow the instructions on the label. And that's a real concern. So we invited Chris Bounassis with Accudial to tell us how we can avoid this common mistake. So is this something parents should be concerned about?
I think it's something most parents have already experienced. Most of us as parents have found ourselves at 2 o'clock in the morning in the kitchen. Our child is sick. We're trying to figure out how much medication to give them and how. So yes, it is really a concern, and inaccurate dosing happens more often than we would think. Children are dosed inaccurately with children's over-the-counter medications more than half the time.
But why does this happen so often?
The main reason is the labeling on over-the-counter medications is usually dosed by age, in age ranges typically like 6 to 12 years old. Healthcare professionals, doctors, pharmacists, they all dose children by weight. The weight of children can vary by as much as 100% even if they're the same age. So really dosing by weight is the way to go.
Well, what are some of the risks if you don't dose that way?
Overdosing children can pose some serious harmful healthcare risks. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have underdosing, which means the child is not getting an effective amount of medication. In that scenario, sometimes parents go back and they administer a second dose, which could lead to overdosing. In other scenarios, parents end up in the emergency room because their child is not getting enough medication, only for a physician to tell them to administer the dosing by weight.
So what can parents do?
Well, now parents can dose like healthcare professionals. Children's Accudial features a patented weight-based dosing system where parents can safely dose their children by weight and not by age.
So how does Accudial work exactly?
Well, each bottle of Accudial comes with a rotating label, so you are able to hold the bottle and rotate the label. And when you rotate the label, you can find your child's weight either in kilograms or in pounds, so there's no confusion there. And then the proper dose by weight is displayed in the window, so in milliliters. And then you can take the dosing spoon that's included and administer the medication to your child.
Oh, I think I can even do that. It sounds so easy.
It's easy, and it is the only patented weight-based dosing system allowing you to find the right dosing by your child's weight.
Well, thanks for being here and sharing this with us.
Thank you, Christine.
To find out more about children's Accudial, go to accuratedose.com.